October is a fantastic time to be in the garden in Queensland because it's not too hot and things are shooting away for spring. Here are some things for you to do in the garden this October. In store, at the moment we have a massive range of choices for you to put in the garden. Planting is the best part of gardening, and here in Queensland, palms are #1. They are ideal for the climate in this state. Plant them around the pools or for their cool and calming effect. There are varieties that grow well indoors in pots too. Fertilise in spring, summer and autumn, and water deeply and regularly when it's warm and dry. Geraniums are a great choice for the garden because they're full of colour, they're very easy to care for, and they can tolerate full sun. They'll give you flowers most of the year. Osteos are another good choice. They're an excellent provider of colour in the garden, and both of those plants are perennial, so they'll give you years and years of display. Here are some other great options for your garden in Queensland. Everyone's summer favourite are petunias. Put them in sunny spots in pots, hanging baskets, or for a blaze of colour in the garden. It's also time to put in azaleas and plumeria. If you're not sure what you want, come into the store and speak to our garden experts and we'll steer you in the right direction. Don't forget the vegetable garden. Also get all your plants in like tomatoes, eggplants and capsicums because they really love the sunlight. Plant watermelons and rock melons too. If you've got room to put in a few pumpkins, the vines like to spread. It's also a good time to plant cucumbers, lettuce, beetroot, silver beet, beans and radish seeds. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All of our plants, other than seedlings, have a 1-year guarantee, so bring your plant back if you're not happy within 12 months with your receipt and we'll give you a refund. All people who grow vegetables love harvest time. It's a chance for you to enjoy the fruits of your labour, and there's nothing better than serving food that you've grown yourself to your family. Some of the things that you'll get this month will be cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage and beans. In October you'll have a lot of flush of growth in your garden, so it's a good time to do some preventative pruning. Things like grevilleas and callistemons could do from a tip prune, but all of your natives will benefit from a nice little clean up around the edges. As will flowering plants such as the poinsettia and snowflake. Leading into the wet season, the entire garden will benefit from a nice dose of fertiliser. Remember to feed natives with a low phosphorus alternative. If you have any questions about what to feed your garden, pop into the store and see the friendly garden experts. Keep up with the water. Shrubs such as hydrangeas, gardenias and ixoras need water to put on a show of flowers. It's also a great time to top up the mulch. It will help the soil retain moisture and protect plant roots. Lucerne or sugarcane mulch are great options. Spread it about 5 to 7 centimetres thick. It will not only help protect the soil, but as it breaks down, provides nutrients as well. Make the most of this great weather and get out in the garden this October in Queensland. Click here for more gardening advice, or click here to go back to the website.